Nobody. Divya,
Yes, ma'am.
now you read the
Lakha
next
Singh
point.
belongs to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family does not own any land, so they do odd jobs for the big farmers. Work is erratic and so is income. At times they get paid rupees 50 for a hard day's work, but often it's in kind like a few kilograms of wheat or dal, or even vegetables for toiling in the farm through the day. The family of eight cannot always manage two square meals a day. Lakha lives in a kacha hut on the outskirts of the village. The women, the women of the family spend the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the fields. His father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to lack of medication. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly ebbing away. Al- Although the village has a primary school, Lakha never went there. He had to start earning when he was 10 years old. New clothes happen once in a few years. Even soap and oil are luxury for the family. Study the above cases of poverty and discuss the following issues relating to poverty: landlessness, unemployment, size of families, illiteracy, poor health, malnutrition, child labor, helplessness.
Malnutrition.
These,
Yes.
these, these two typical cases illustrate many dimensions of poverty. They show that poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. It also is a situation in which parents are not able to send their children to school, or a situation where sick people cannot afford treatment. Poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. It also means lack of a regular job at a minimum decent level. Above all, it means living with a sense of helplessness. Poor people are in a situation in which they are ill treated at almost every place: in farms, factories, government offices, hospitals, railway stations, etc. Obviously, nobody would like to live in a poverty. One of the biggest challenges of independent India has been to bring millions of its people out of abject poverty. Mahatma Gandhi always insisted that India would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering. Poverty
Okay.
has
Okay,
seen.
Divya. Divya, now, okay, that's all. So now here is the next story that is related to the ruler case. And here is a person, Lakha Singh, okay, who belong to the state Uttar Pradesh. So Lakha family does not have their own land, and he worked टू द बिग फार्मर विद द बिग फार्मर्स, मतलब कि जो गांव में बड़े फार्मर्स हैं जिनके पास लैंड है उनके यहाँ वो काम कर रहा है एंड दे पेड हिम ओनली 50 rupees per day and they also paid him to some kilogram of wheat and dal also for surviving his family. And the another thing, Lakha lived in a कच्चा हाउस. ओके, वो मतलब जो मिट्टी के और लकड़ी के बने घर होते हैं ना, वहां पर रहता है. एंड हिज वाइफ मीन्स द लाखा's wife that spent the day chopping fodder. chopping fodder मतलब कि जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनके लिए घास वगैरह काट कर और मतलब कि फॉरेस्ट से फायरवुड कलेक्ट करती थी. And his father was a TB patient. Okay, TB is a tuberculosis disease. So, and he passed away ago, 2 years ago. And his mother now suffer from the same disease and slowly ebbing away. And that's also. Then after, there is a in his village has a primary school, but Lakha never went to there. Why? Because his earning is very low. मतलब कि लाखा के जो पेरेंट्स थे उनके पास भी पैसे की कमी थी, सो वो भी वहां पर नहीं जा सका, मतलब स्कूल नहीं जा सका. So now here we study about the case of the poverty. There are the two cases, that is the urban case and rural case. Urban case or rural case, there is a lot of difference between both cases. Okay, according to their place. Then the now here, what are the main reason why they all are belong to the poverty? Okay, why Lakha Singh and why Ram Charan belong to the poverty? Because they don't have, means here are some points. They are landlessness, मतलब उनके पास जमीन नहीं थी. Unemployment, उनके पास नौकरी भी नहीं थी. Size of families, उनकी फैमिली काफी बड़ी थी. Illiteracy, अनपढ़ थे वो. Then poor health, उनकी हेल्थ भी पुअर थी. माल न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स जब प्रॉपर खाना नहीं मिलता है तो हमारी बॉडी में माल न्यूट्रिशन हो जाता है, मतलब कि उसको प्रॉपर विटामिन प्रोटीन्स नहीं मिलते, मिनरल्स नहीं. देन चाइल्ड लेबर, अभी वो छोटे ही हैं, जिस एज में उनको पढ़ना चाहिए उस एज में वो लेबरिंग कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. एंड देन द हेल्पलेसनेस, कि उनके पास और कोई सोर्स ही नहीं है, so they are the helplessness. So these two typical cases illustrate many dimensions of poverty. Okay, and it's the main problem is hunger and lack of shelter. आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया मैंने कि every person need three main things, that is food, meal and shelter. ओके, तो जब पर्सन्स के पास ये चीजें नहीं होंगी, दैट पर्सन और एवरी पर्सन एफर्ट फॉर दैट थिंग्स. मतलब कोई भी पर्सन है, उसको पहनने के लिए कपड़ा चाहिए, खाने के लिए भोजन चाहिए और रहने के लिए घर चाहिए, और पूरा लाइफ सर्कल इसी को कंप्लीट करते हुए निकल जाता है. ठीक है. अब एक गरीब पर्सन जो है वो ये सब चीजें इजली नहीं ले पाता. ओके, और किसी को भी नो बॉडी लाइक टू बिलोंग टू ए पॉवर्टी, कि कोई भी नहीं चाहता कि वो गरीब रहे. चाहता है कि कोई? नो बॉडी लाइक इट. ओके. एंड नाउ द महात्मा गांधी, इन दिस महात्मा गांधी हु इज वी कॉल्ड द फादर ऑफ नेशन, उन्होंने कहा था India would be truly independent. मतलब कि you everyone underline this thing. India would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering. मतलब इंडिया असली में आजाद तब होगा जब इसमें एक भी आदमी पुअर नहीं रहेगा, हर एक आदमी के पास रोटी कपड़ा मकान होगा. ओके, और ये वैसे बेसिकली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है गवर्नमेंट की, टू प्रोवाइड ऑल दैट थिंग्स टू द पीपल ऑफ दैट कंट्री. ओके, क्लियर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, poverty as seen by social scientists. Okay, that's read by Arpit. Arpit, now you read it.
Poverty as seen by social scientists. Since poverty has many effects, social scientists look at it through a variety of indicators. Usually the indicators used relate to the level of income and consumption. But now poverty is looked to other social indicators like illiteracy rate stable, lack of general resistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to health care,
Now you everyone underline these things also. Arpit, just wait. Now according to the social scientist, they show some indicators. They are illiteracy level. Now underline this, illiteracy level, lack of germinal resistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to healthcare, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Okay, according to social scientist. ओके जो मतलब सोशल पर्सन है उनके अकॉर्डिंगली कि जो पॉवर्टी है वो क्या है, दैट इज द मतलब वो किस पर स्टैंड करती है, इलिटरेसी लेवल मतलब कि अनपढ़ता पर स्टैंड करती है, माल न्यूट्रिशन पर स्टैंड करती है, कमी किसकी, लैक ऑफ मतलब इसकी कमी, अगर माल न्यूट्रिशन की कमी है, अब पढ़ाई की कमी है, आपकी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज की कमी है, आपको सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर की कमी है, साफ सफाई की कमी है, ये सारी चीजें भी हमें पॉवर्टी की तरफ ले जाती हैं. ओके, एंड दिस व्यू गिवन बाय द सोशल साइंटिस्ट. क्लियर? इट्स क्लियर मैम? ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is the poverty line. okay, कि poverty line क्या मतलब कि poverty को वैसे सभी नहीं आ जाते, इसकी भी एक क्राइटेरिया, on that criteria we call that person belong to the poverty line. okay, now Shruti.
Yes ma'am.
Shruti,
Yes
you read
ma'am.
from the poverty line. Yes, hurry up.
According to this accept, must we say in teams of the poor, helping to live only in a poor.
Shruti, read the point poverty line. No. Piyush. Piyush. Piyush is there?
Can I read?
Ma'am, may I? Wait. Okay, come now. You come here. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, now you read.
At the center of the discussing on poverty is usually the concept of the poverty line, a common method used to measure poverty is based on the income or
Conjunctions label.
and
Consumption level.
consumption level. A person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption level fall below a given minimum level necessary to fulfill basic need. What is necessary